fans are overflowing. So they're probably making up for that. Multan Sultan winning the toss. Rizwan deciding to field first. That had been a trend in most of the T20 cricket. Getting on and underway straight away. Little dink into the offside. Room again, and that is down towards us. Bakar Yunus, it'll be one bounce and 4. Lovely, very nice to see a youngster taking on. Really looking forward to see that youngster Usman Khan, who scored 100 just recently, a very powerful batsman. Oh, he swung it away and got a huge top edge. That has gone a long way. There's 6 in the tournament, a little bit of luck, but he'll take it. There's a bit more than luck. Swings that away, and it's just gone underneath the fielder at mid-wicket. Might pick up a boundary here for Zaman. No, excellent work from David Miller.
लेकिन इतनी ही अच्छी शॉट फाइन लेग सर्कल में मौजूद था और इसकी वजह से 4 रन हासिल करने में कामयाब हुए। लाहिर बेग थोड़ा सा इजीली यॉर्कर करने की कोशिश की।
बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट, हवा में खेला, 6 रन मिलेंगे गालिबन। हो सकता है थोड़ा सा गेंद अंदर गिरा हो, लेकिन शॉट बहुत अच्छा था। यहाँ थोड़ी सी गलती कर दी रिजवान ने और यहाँ गलती नहीं की। बेग ने बहुत ही उम्दगी से बॉल को आने दिया, स्पीड को यूज किया, पेस का इस्तेमाल किया, स्लिप को निकाला। हील को क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस है और कैच का खतरा, बड़े हाथ हैं और बहुत ही उम्दा कैच, तेज खेला हुआ शॉट था। मेरा नहीं ख्याल बेग तवक्को कर रहे थे कि ये कैच होगा। बहुत ही खूबसूरत कैच, उसामा मीर थे फील्डर।
पुल कर दिया और वहाँ पे कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं है। 4 रन हासिल होंगे। फखर जमान ने अपने गेयर चेंज करने शुरू कर दिए।
Beautiful shot, strong and straight, and a 4. That'll be a wide. No, I agree with you, absolutely. Can't worry about wickets. Wow, has he got enough for this? He has. Maximum. Been looking for it, hasn't he, Shayhope? Looking for that leg side, looking for some length. Big enough, just. Only just. 50 partnership up. Partnership up. Flatter. This one. Home just gets it over once again. Bottom of the back. Another 6. Back as a man. He goes to. Don't think he gets all of this. And the man underneath it does not drop them. Kieran Pollard got himself in position early, takes a simple catch, and it's the end. Cameron Gullen then in it. Number 4. Couple. That's the way. Look at that stump smashed. The horn is going. That's a goodie, that. Never looked likely, did Cameron Gullen. Gone. It's a double strike for the home team. You just felt as though Qalandars had hit a brick wall. Oh, that's gone way up into the night sky and way back and out of the ground into this huge crowd here. It's been 19 balls since the last. Full toss and it's punished, put away. And a backward point. Nahani, I think, fast bowler finds himself a backward point. Got him. It was full. And again, Talat might feel as he's a little unlucky to have picked out the man there at back on mid-off. He gets across in front and that is out. It's a terrific way to finish. Starts. Big smile on the face of Dhani. His final over just give PSL just under 1,500 runs, 2 slips in place, aggression from movement straight away. Just walks that away. He's so strong on the onside. You got to keep it outside off stump when you're bowling to Rizwan. And he has no problems whatsoever, just closing the face and playing the... That's timing. That's such a super shot. Nothing fussy about it. Yeah, he's tall, isn't he? So he's trying to get on top of the bounce. Pulled away. Will be a single. Should have been a single. Terrible fielding. Ghulam thought he had it covered. How many times he can actually let that ball... Maybe it's the fielder, backward point. Boundary straight away to start the over. Good for awareness. Worked away nicely. Onside is what he owns, Rizwan. Beautiful timing. Picks it up. That is his go-to zone, Rizwan. He's got so many runs in that area. Yeah, it's clever, isn't it? Because second डॉसन का इस्तकबाल पहली गेंद पे और 4 हासिल हो गए. ऑलमोस्ट कोलिजन हुआ और चोट लग सकती थी इन दोनों फील्डर्स को. स्वीप कर दिया. टाइमिंग के साथ 4 रन हासिल होंगे.
इस बार उनके मतलब की गेंद मिली. बहुत अच्छा स्वीप.
Oh, is that the first one? That's the opening they wanted and the change has worked. Hussain Talat comes in, he's tried to play him, just trying to beat that fielder's shot. Fine leg, but he's found him. Oh, what a shot. That's a clean hit. Rizwan. Maximum. That's a shot of authority. Huge, massive. Got him. Swing and a miss, gets the Yorker right. Is there a twist in the tail yet? The skipper has picked up the opposition's captain. Great delivery. Shaheen. Oh, bit of good fortune. He got the Yorker in and Miller got a little inside tickle on it past the keeper. Yeah, they do need a little... Oh, cleans him up. Yorker specialists. Harris Ralph is one of the best in the business and he's just cleaned up David Miller. Goes short. Punished and punished all the way. Oh, big boy power. 150 up. And it's been hit straight to mid-wicket. Keeper's in, it's a chance. Gone! Brilliant! He saw it what happened right in front of his eyes. That's the reason why he left the ground. Can he find a boundary? He can find a boundary, he can find a 4. He saw it what happened right in front of his eyes. That's the reason why he left the ground. Can he find a boundary? He can find a boundary, he can find a 4. Down to 6 required now. Oh, what an opening game to the HBL PSL. Oh, it was there, but it's been swung away and it's an outside edge and a race away for 4.